Welcome back to my channel, Matchbox fans. Today I'm doing something different. I'm opening up some of my Matchbox cars. I have quite the collection that I have been purchasing cars since 2018. So I felt it was time to finally open some of these. So today I'm opening my collection of Matchbox electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles. As you can see, I already got a head start, and I just found this yesterday, and it's the Audi e-tron. It's new, it's awesome. This is a really cool car I've seen. Comes in a nice teal color, looks great. Here's the card art. So let's get cracking, shall we? Next up is the Karma GS6. I don't know why Matchbox's cards get so curly. Hot Wheels doesn't really do that. Oh yeah. Oh, this is really cool. It uses the headlamps are part of the windshield glass. That's really cool. Makes it look a little more realistic. Awesome, very sleek. These cars are gonna look really good together. Now this is actually an Air. This is a Matchbox Air. I've seen people talk about this where the blister pack is off center. I don't know if you can see that. It ends right here. And it's shifted over some. I don't know if you can see that, see where the line is. Anyways, this is the Citroen Ami, and in the United States, not many people are purchasing this car because they have no idea what it is. But me being a global car enthusiast, I already knew what the car was. I saw some videos on it. It's actually quite interesting. This is a car made by Citroen, and it is specifically a car for teenagers and young adults. They can drive the car if they're only 14 years old. They don't need a license because I guess it qualifies as a motorcycle in the insurance bracket, and it's not an actual car. It's an electric vehicle. It can only go up to 40 miles an hour or 45 miles an hour, so you can only take it in the city. And it uses plastic body panels, and the front and the rear of the car uses the same body panels, so it's like an asymmetrical kind of design. It's actually a really cool car. I'm kind of glad that I saw the YouTube video on it. It was definitely eye-opening, and it's a car that I think elderly people would probably be interested in. And like I said, a 14-year-old getting able to get behind the wheel without having a license, that's freedom. I don't know how well they actually sold though. The range I don't think was insanely good. I love the copper ring around the wheels, and the wheels are definitely smaller. This is one of the first times I've seen small wheels on a Matchbox. Looks great. And I guess this is die-cast here, which is kind of funny because the real car is plastic, but the car has some heft to it. Unfortunately, you can't really see the interior. It has these weird window latches that fold down like this out. Oh yeah, this is going to be really cool. It's going to be a really nice little mini collection, so to speak. Next up, it's I guess it's a fan favorite. It's a Tesla Model Y. Like, why would you buy one? Why? I don't know why you would. Every time I drive somewhere, I see 20 Teslas in Southern California. It's like, if you want the same car that everyone else has, I guess you'd buy a Tesla, but I just don't see the appeal. They're not unique enough for me. Oh, nice, had a protector. Oh, that's interesting. You can see the trunk here has been die-cast filled. That's kind of cool. Wow, this, because of that, I don't know, this casting is definitely very, very heavy. Huh. Okay, Matchbox normally doesn't have chips, but apparently mine has a chip. Great. Just great. Next up is another incredibly popular car. It's the 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E. I've been seeing these everywhere around SoCal. I see 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 literally every time I go for a drive. It's insane in my area. They've been very, very popular. I think they shouldn't have bastardized the Mustang name. They shouldn't have used the Mustang name. They shouldn't have made it look kind of like a Mustang. They could have created their own thing, but no, they had to cash in on the Mustang name. And if Corvette does the same thing and creates a four-door bean of an SUV, then, well, they'll be dead to me too. Oh yeah, that metal flake. Very nice. Last up is the 2021 Koenigsegg Gemera. I think this is the best new model from Matchbox for 2023, hands down. I purchased about 8 of them because I think they are going to appreciate in the coming months or in a couple of years. I'm excited to see what the other recolors are, but I think everything about it is absolutely fantastic. Oh yeah, hell yeah. So the only good news is at least the hybrid feature for sports cars and supercars, at least there's something exciting. And I mean, just look at the juxtaposition. You've got the super dorky Ami. You've got the sensible shoes, Ford Mustang Mach-E, and you have the hybrid supercar. So anyways, they look very, very good together. And the Karma Rivero is the car that the odds of seeing one on the street I think are going to be really, really tough unless you live in Los Angeles, judging by how expensive they are. If you like this video, you may also like to watch some of my other mainline unboxing videos. Have a great day.